If you're running an AI automation or marketing agency and you're managing VAs, setters, or agents who need constant supervision, constant fixing, and constant hand-holding just to keep your business from falling apart, this video is going to show you exactly why you're stuck, and more importantly, how to fix it. I'm Arturo Johnson, and I've helped 1,200 agency founders scale past $100,000 per month, and every single one of them has had the same problem before we started working together. They thought they needed a better team, but what they actually needed was a better business model. Let me show you what I mean. You see, it wasn't always like this. I started as a busboy making $5 an hour, and I built my way up to running a $200K per month agency with a team of 15. From the outside, man, yeah, that looked successful. Big revenue, big team, big operations. But on the inside, if I'm being honest, my team was bloated, my margins were only 20%, and I was working 70 hours a week just to keep everything from breaking. I had VAs who needed constant direction, setters who needed constant coaching, agents who needed constant support, and me in the middle of all of it, managing, fixing, supervising every single day, day in and day out. And in February of 2024, I shut the entire thing down. Not because I failed, but because I finally understood what the real problem was. And the real problem wasn't my team. The real problem was the model that I was running. So I rebuilt everything using the AI agency infrastructure and scaled that up to $550K a month with a team of only 5 people. 10 fewer people with way better margins. And now I work 20 hours a week instead of 70. Now the difference, I stopped managing people and I start managing systems. But before I show you how to do all of that, let me show you what being stuck actually feels like, because I've lived it myself personally. Now, tell me if this sounds familiar. Your day starts at 6 a.m. when your alarm goes off, not because you're a morning person, but because you need to check everything before your team wakes up. So you open Slack and you got 15 messages from your VAs overnight. One of your Instagram accounts are restricted. They don't know what to do and they're waiting for you to fix it. You open Go High Level, your CRM, your setter sent a message at 11 p.m. last night. A prospect is asking questions that they don't know how to answer. They forward the conversation to you, and now you got to jump in to save the deal before you have to issue a refund. You check your calendar, 3 calls today, but you also have a team meeting at 10 a.m., a training call with your VA at 2 p.m., and a one-on-one call on top of that with your top setter at 4 p.m. because they're frustrated about lead quality. And you haven't even had breakfast yet, and you're already behind. By 9 a.m., man, you're in the first team stand-up. You asked the VA for updates, but they didn't finish yesterday's task because they got stuck on something and didn't bother to tell you about it. So now everything is delayed. You ask your setter how many calls they booked yesterday? 4, but 2 of them canceled already this morning, and 1 put in a fake phone number. So really, you only have 1 real call today. You ask your team members how many clients they got. Most of them were fine, but some of them are upset because the delivery was late, and another is asking for a refund because they don't see the results yet, even though it's only been a couple of weeks. The meeting ends, you're frustrated, you don't have time to fix anything because your first client call is in 10 minutes. Now, that call goes fine, but afterwards, your VA slacks you. They need approval on something. You approve it. 5 minutes later, you see another message. They need approval on something else. And then you realize a pattern. Every decision still goes through you. You hired people to create leverage, but you're still the bottleneck. And now by lunch, man, you're exhausted. You've been in back-to-back meetings, answering Slack messages, fixing small problems, putting out fires, and you haven't done a single thing that actually moves the business forward. Your setter messages you again. They want to know if they should follow up with the lead who hasn't replied in 2 days. You say yes, they ask how, you write the exact message that they should send. And then you start thinking to yourself, why am I still writing reply messages? Isn't that your job? But if you don't write the message, they'll send something generic and the lead won't reply. So you just do it yourself. At 2 p.m., you have your training call with your new VA and you spend an hour walking them through the systems, the tools, the process, the logins, the expectations, and they're taking notes. But you can already tell they're asking you the same questions that they're going to ask again tomorrow, because the training isn't the problem. The system is too complicated. There are too many tools, too many steps, too many places where things can break. So you finish the call and you check Slack. 8 more messages, right? 1 for your setter, 1 for your VA, 3 from your clients, 2 from CSRs who need help with something, and 1 from a prospect to ask a question that your setters should have been able to answer. And then you answer them all, one by one, because if you don't, everything slows down. And by 4 p.m., you're in your one-on-one calls with your setters now, and they're frustrated. The leads aren't good. The show rate's terrible. People aren't picking up the phone, and they feel like like they're working hard but not getting any results. And you try to be supportive to make sure that their confidence isn't lost. You tell them that it's not their fault, and you'll look into the lead quality. You'll adjust the ads, you'll make some funnel tweaks, you'll fix it. But deep down, you know the truth. You've tweaked the ads 5 times this month already. You've changed the funnel copy 3 times. You've tested new angles, new offers, and the results are still inconsistent. The call ends. You look at the time, man, it's 5 p.m. and you've already been working 11 hours and haven't done a single thing that actually grows the business. You didn't create any content. You didn't work on your offer. You didn't build any new systems. You didn't think strategically. All you did was you managed. You fixed, you supervised, you answered questions, but more importantly, all you did was put out fires. And that's your entire day, every single day, day after day after day. And here's the worst part. You can't even take a day off, because if you do, then everything slows down. Your VA will have to wait for approvals, your setter will wait for direction, and your CSRs will wait for you to do the support. The business doesn't run without you, is the truth, my friend. It depends on you and every single hour of every single day. So you finally shut your laptop at 7 p.m. and you're exhausted, but you're not satisfied, because you know tomorrow's going to be exactly the same. More Slack messages, more fires, more questions, more managing. You see, here's the epiphany. You built a team to create leverage, but you didn't get leverage. You got dependency, and dependency doesn't scale, it only multiplies. And this, my friend, is what I like to call the Team Dependency Trap. And it's the #1 reason why agency founders stay stuck between 15 to 50K a month. You think the problem is your people, so you hire better people, and better people still need management. They still need direction. They still need you. So guess what you do like any other good founder? You create better systems, more SOPs, more training, more documentation, but more systems just creates more complexity, and more complexity requires more management. You see, the real problem isn't your team, it's your systems. The real problem is the model that you're running. You're running the agency model, and the agency model requires human labor to scale. More clients means more people means more management means more of your time. And that model worked in 2016, but it doesn't work in 2025. So I know you're wondering, here's what works right now. The AI agency infrastructure, where AI replaces 80% of the work that your team's doing, and you go from managing people to managing systems. So let me show you exactly how this AI agency infrastructure works. So the AI agency infrastructure is built off of 3 pillars: offer infrastructure, acquisition infrastructure, and delivery infrastructure. So pillar #1 is the offer infrastructure, and you stop selling custom solutions that requires your team to reinvent the wheel every client, and you build one pre-packaged system for one niche, and every client gets the same system, same onboarding, same delivery, same tools. And this eliminates 90% of the questions because your team asks, because there's only one way to do it. Pillar #2, acquisition infrastructure. So you stop relying on VAs and setters to manually chase leads, and you build an AI-powered system that nurtures leads, books calls, follows up, and qualifies prospects automatically. And your setter doesn't write any messages anymore, AI does. Your VA doesn't manage the inbox anymore, AI does. Your team just handles the conversations that matter, the warm ones, the qualified ones, the ready-to-buy ones. Now, pillar #3 is delivery infrastructure, and you stop doing customized fulfillment for every single client, and you install the same systems for every single client. AI handles the onboarding, AI handles the reporting, AI handles the client communication. Your CSRs doesn't spend 10 hours a week per client anymore. They spend 2 hours, because the infrastructure does all of the work. And when you build these 3 pillars, here's what happens. Your VA goes from needing constant supervision to running an automated system. Your setter goes from chasing cold leads to closing warm ones. Your CSRs goes from doing manual fulfillment to managing the AI agency infrastructure. And for you, you go from managing 50 hours a week to leading 15 hours of strategy every single week. And that's the shift from operator to architect, from manager to founder. So I know that sounds great in theory, but let me show you what that looks like in real life. You see, Blake went from stuck at $1,500 a month managing a chaotic team. We rebuilt his offer infrastructure, one niche, one problem, one system, and he scaled to 70K per month in 67 days. Same team, different model. Rohit was stuck at 5K a month with setters who couldn't book calls consistently. we installed the acquisition infrastructure, AI handled the nurturing and the follow-up, and his setters only talked to warm leads, and he scaled to $50,000 per month. Or Lawson, who was couch surfing with no team and no clarity, and we built all of the three pillars for him from scratch: offer acquisition, delivery, and boom, he hit $33K per month with one VA and AI doing 80% of the work. Now, these aren't just edge cases. This is what happens when you stop trying to scale people and start scaling systems. Now, if you're still watching this far and you're stuck managing a team that depends on you for everything, and you want to build a business that runs on systems instead of supervision, here's what I'm offering you today. It's called Quantum Boardroom, and this is my one-on-one system installation program for automation and marketing agency founders. This is where we rebuild your offer infrastructure together, so every client gets the same predictable results. We install your acquisition infrastructure, so AI handles the lead nurture and your team only talks to qualified prospects. We automate your delivery infrastructure, so clients stay with you 12 plus months and your team spends 80% of the time less on fulfillment. You also get bi-weekly one-on-one calls with me. You get unlimited calls on me on demand when you hit a bottleneck. Direct access to me 24/7. Not a VA, not a CSM, me. Now, the kicker to this is I only work with 3 agency founders per quarter because this is hands-on implementation, and one spot just opened up. So if you're making between 15 and 25K per month and you're tired of managing a team that can't run by itself, message me on Instagram at Arturo Johnson Consulting or click the link in the description and we'll talk. We'll diagnose where you're stuck, and if you're a fit, we'll rebuild your AI agency infrastructure together. Now, the key to this is this is where you stop managing people and start leading systems. This is where scaling becomes simple. This, my friend, is where everything changes. I'll see you on the inside.